First of all, I would thank everyone for being here and attended this occasion. English na. And everyone who, big thanks to everyone who helped, and the band, and everyone who emptied their pocket for the couple. And special thanks for the parents. First of all, I'll go with Mr. and Mrs. Pita. Pita, yes? Pitas? Pitas, yes. And Mr. and Mrs. Alcantara for nurturing and raising upstanding couple, each and individual of them. And, sorry. Limang minuto lang po. And I am especially glad to be here tonight for celebrating this special occasion. You guys rock. And I know Daryl since 2000 early. He is one of my teacher. First of all, he's a best friend. A teacher. He was the one who taught me how to play bass. Dude, you were. And a mentor, because he always teaches people that surrounds him for the better way, and always being happy person for whatever comes around in his surroundings. It may be bad or good, he will be happy to accept it. And what else? Okay. As I said, I was thankful for the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Alcantara, for raising a gorgeous, tall, dark, and mysterious man.
Bunso pumarni ka. Candy! Candy, Ella! Pakis ng nina. Pakis ng nina.
This is my friend.
What is your name?
Malaya.
Wow, I know
He's
her.
not tall,
And the other one, the other girl?
or dark, or mysterious.
What's your name?
Not tall, not mysterious, but
Marina. And the other one?
Ateja.
dark. And but he is who he is. Yes, you are. He is a see-through man. And he is not hiding behind a curtain. He is, there's nothing under the pillow for that saying. And there is no mask behind the man. Because he is who he is. He is an everyday hero who helps everyone. Whoever wants help, he will be there and provide it. And I love that. I love that kind of man. Yeah? And Christine, you are very, very lucky for having this guy.
Yay!
But nonetheless, I think the luckiest guy here is you, my friend. Christine here has a beauty. She's smart, intelligent, and also she's a Boy Scout, man. Girl Scout. Now Daryl always teaches. He doesn't know this, but I think his close friends knows that even without knowing it, he teaches things like about relationships, about jobs, about God, especially about God. Because I really admire this guy for his beliefs, his faith, a strong faith, and his intelligence. Now, saying before, you are very lucky, but he's luckier than you, because you are the only person that can make him happy. And you can only make that happen. Now, you gather all that energy that you helping people, gather all that enthusiasm, all that love for other people. Now is your time, brother. It's your time to gather all that energy, all that love, to raise your own family with your beautiful brother.
Amen.
I would like to all of you to join me into a toast.
Cheers.
To Darrell and his lovely wife, not a girlfriend anymore, brother. And for you, because you will last. I know that. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Mr. CJ, for such a very, very
Inspiring.
words. You really deserve to be the best man. Thank you so much for the nice words. Okay, so this time we will proceed on
Mga singles.
mga abay especially. And I would like to call the attention of the kids. All the singles na mga babae at mga abay, para po makaproceed tayo sa part 2, which is the dancing portion. Okay, nasan po ang dito ulit? Move kayo na po dito. Move kayo. Baka dito po. Move kayo. Exhale, please, help. Okay. I will count 1, 2, 3. And Christine, at the third, you will throw the bouquet. Okay, singles, Okay. Number 1. Number 2. And...
Hi guys!
Let us be serious, please. Yes. So that we will proceed to the part 2. Okay, let's be serious this time. Okay. Your light, please. Okay. 1, 2, and get ready. Throw. Okay, si best man ang nakakawa. So we have the part. Okay, so the Mr. Bestman, you will also put on here.
Sound check 1, 2, 3, sound check.
Okay, so ito po ang bagong new pair. Ang new pair po.
Sound check.
Okay, so... Okay.
Hello, sound is. Good evening to everybody. Hello.
Okay. So ang kasabihan po, yung nakakuha ng garter ay isusuot po sa leg no nakakuha ng bouquet. So, Mr. Bestman, isusuot ko yun sa kanya, no? Magbumula yun sa kanyang paa hanggang dito lang.
Ano ang gamit?
O, sige na.
Ano ang gamit?
Okay, go in front and put it on her leg.
Ano ang gamit?
Yes. Okay, my dear friends, this is our traditional way.